Hey Bill, this is Nate with GPS and Track. Good talking to you. Just want to show you a few things. So the device itself, the platform, pricing, give you a good idea of how everything works. First off is the tracker itself. So this is that 5-year battery unit. It has these 4 bolt holes so you can bolt them onto the trailers, or we have a powerful magnetic bracket. I don't have one on my desk, but it basically bolts onto the device itself and you can move it between trailers however you need. But this is completely waterproof, so it can go on any of your trailers for the long haul. And then, like we discussed, move it between your trailers after they kind of run through their life cycle with you guys. There are a few different things to note on the platform. As this is a long-term battery operated unit, it's meant to update upon movement, and then it has scheduled updates. That's why we're getting such a long life. So I can click on, let's see, the pin trailer right here. That's the same style. First thing you're going to see is where it's at on the map. We can zoom way in. We can switch it to a satellite mode, which that's going to show us where is it. If we're getting a solid connection, which this one is, it's going to be, you can know which specific parking space it's in. And then when it comes to the other details on the device, it's going to show you battery life, where it's at right now, how much is left, a specific address if you want to navigate to it via Google Maps. It's going to show you last update. We can set geofences up directly from here, or we can do standard geofences across the entirety of your account. And then we discussed alerts. If you want to know if there's a variety of alerts, movement alerts is super helpful. After hours movement alerts, you just set, days of operation, hours, and then be notified if it's moving outside of that. And then you can pull a lot of different reports. If you want to know whether they're inside or outside of a geofence, pull that information real quickly and see how it works, or where everything is at once. You can do that. Pricing on these, we're unique because we don't charge monthly. Everyone wants that 15, 20 bucks a month. Just be careful. That's easily 500 to 700 bucks over just a couple of years. Whereas these at the kind of bulk pricing was 225 for the unit with 3 years included, and then 20 bucks a year after that. So if you want to see anything else specific on the platform, if you want to try one out before you guys jump in, let me know. Happy to get a demo set up. But just reach out. My direct is 480-604-5449. Give me a call or book a live demo anytime.